Wow. Gosh, what an amazing conversation, and very interesting, as I say, when you kind of talk about what's happening in Europe and the need to innovate and then regulate. It's a really important question. Now, I don't know if you'll know, but Boya has been here since the very beginning of LEAP, and therefore probably is one of the best placed people, I think, to talk us through maybe the last 3 years, but also, can you help us project into the future? We're talking about new worlds. What do you think, if we sit here next year, what are we going to be talking about? Will it still be 5G, or will we be talking about something else?
You know, it's always easy to predict the future. It's just hard to be right. So I dare not doing that. But this is a very exciting region in the world. It's one of the, I think, more forward-leaning regions globally that we are working in. And that makes me excited to be here. Was excited to be here 3 years ago because it was clear where the country is going. And the commitment to Vision 2030 puts it on a very interesting path. So we wanted, and it was easy for us to say we want to be part of that. But if I look for the future, I think we'll be here next year. We'll be talking about maybe a couple of different topics. One that I'm sure will be front and center is Gen AI. We're just at the beginning of that journey as well. We see enormous productivity gains in our own operations, in R&D, in products, and we're incorporating that at a high pace. So that will be one topic. But I'm also convinced we'll be talking more about the connectivity aspect. So high performance, programmable, cloud-native networks that will allow a very fast usage and a very flexible usage of the network as actually a differentiator to digitalize enterprises and society. And lastly, I think one area that I hope we'll talk much more about is network APIs and the ability for developers to access the networks in a new way, to develop new leading applications. And then we may talk about the first applications that actually come out of using network APIs that actually has a chance to put the network back at the center for digital transformation or for changing our daily lives. So I think we'll have an exciting 2025 here as well.
Wow,